When starting a painting job, preparation is key. One of the most important steps is priming your plaster base. Whether it's a newly plastered wall or a previously painted wall, it's highly recommended to do the correct preparation and use a plaster primer before painting. This will seal your plaster and allow you to paint your surface without any cracking, bubbling, or peeling. This plaster primer with nanotechnology from Fired Earth is formulated to give you the best results. It's lead-free, low odor, and water-based, meaning faster drying times and better penetration. It's alkali resistant. With the added benefit of nanotechnology, it makes it stronger and hard-wearing. It's also resistant to efflorescence or leach salts, which causes paint to discolor or flake off. Surface preparation is key, so if you're painting a newly plastered wall, make sure your plaster is well cured. And if you're painting a previously painted wall, ensure you've done the correct preparation of the surface before painting. Simply apply 1 coat of paint with a roller or paintbrush with a spread rate of 4 to 6 meters squared. Now leave the primer for 4 hours before applying your choice of decorative paint. And that's how easy it is to apply the best possible foundation for the perfect paint job. Now this is just one of the primers available at Builders. For more, visit in store or shop online at builders.co.za. And for more videos like this, visit the blog on the website. Get to Builders, get it done.